Hey YouTube, it's Iced Overlord here. This is my YZ 2001 YZ125. Just tore this baby down all the way down to the frame, pretty much. Took the motor into a local shop, getting it rebuilt. Bottom end. So yeah. Through all the stuff here. My radiator, chain, the reeds. Got the rear shock off. Yep, that's everything. Needs a new front tire. Then the guy before me, he went and he spray painted all the plastics on here. So I had to go at it with carb cleaner, and I cleaned it all off. Looks nice. It's my filter. Tell me if that looks good. I think it looks alright. That's the oil too, by the way. There's that. This looks pretty good. It's the airbox, got the 2 number plates. And then the shrouds. Those are a little eaten up, but it'll work. And this got tore here too, or ripped. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching.